How do you take something that people love and make it better? We're Tripped, and we've been taking the stress out of packing since 2017. Meet the Toiletry set, the perfect combination of bags for any trip. Start by packing your essentials in the hanging bag. She's everything you need for a short trip. A detachable small liquids bag to breeze through both Europe and US airport security, and a back zipper to grab essentials en route. Then at your destination, save space on the hotel sink with a tucked-away hook and side pockets. On bigger trips, add in the quart-size TSA-approved liquids bag for skincare, deodorant, toothpaste, or any travel size item. You can clip this bag anywhere, like the outside of your rolling luggage for a stress-free ride through security, or keep your shampoo and conditioner off the dirty Airbnb shower floor with a clip that can hug around just about anything. With plastic sides and breathable nylon, she's easy to rinse out after spills or to just leave in the shower on your trip. Need more? You're now able to tuck away your hairbrush, curling iron, or straightener in the sleeve. Or if you're a low hair maintenance kind of guy, the sleeve is a great place to organize the clumsy cord of an electric razor or that extra pair of sandals. After an inevitable spill, simply toss on a cold hand wash cycle, lay flat to dry, and she'll be good as new for the next adventure. We can't ensure you'll remember to put on your sunscreen, but packing toiletries? Now that's the easy part.